Now little Sue is stirring stew and Big Red's cooking the meat. He's got a ladle as big as Texas and great big hairy feet. And Corley Ann is feeling grand, her hair's in little coils. And George is wearing shine shoes and kissing all the girls. Get on the train, 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 get on the train.
Well, we set up camp the other night under buttery coconut skies. Oh, 5 o'clock rolled in the thunder, so had to make mud pies. Well, Rotten Ralph and his big mouth ate up all them pies. So Corley Ann and her lady friend Stan ate the whole sunrise.
Suddenly it got real dark and we all got kinda scared. Oh, the 6:15 was coming through and Frenchie she obeyed.
And the train it went to Tokyo and we hopped it one by one. And pretty soon we was on our way to the land of the midnight sun.
Get on the train, get on the train, get on the train, get on the train. Why don't you get on the train? Get on the train, get on the train, get on the train.
We were all as hot as icebergs sitting in the snow. We were all as cold as hot dogs roasting in fried dough. So Corley Ann made a Swiss cheese jam. We all had peanut butter. And the Big Red he'd cut out the bread with a jigsaw cookie cutter.
And it was just this great big party, and everyone was invited. And there were fireworks and birthday cakes, and Rotten Ralph was knighted.
And we all had chicken and dumplings. The kids played in the fountain. And we killed the old red rooster. She was coming around the mountain.
Get on the train, get on the train, get on the train, get on the train. Why don't you get on the train, get on the train, get on the train, get on the train. All right.
Now this is my kind of train.
Yeah. Ha-ha. Now Sue and Red got married, shore tucks and the groom wore white, and Georgie ate the honeymoon and everyone got tied. The wedding was in the club car, the reception in the caboose. The conductor performed the ceremony and they all ate butterscotch mousse. And the band was Vagabond Opera as they pulled into each town. They threw back their heads and jumped on the beds and everybody danced around. And the people way was jumping and everyone ate an orange. And as the great big train was pulling out, the band played Orange. Oh boy. Da 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 da. Blows on the oboe while Jay Harris plays the drums, and Eric Stern plays the accordion with 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. Mr. Healy slaps that stand-up bass, Robin Jackson toots his horn, and you mix them all up and you put them in a ball, and the Vagabond Opera's born. Now the opera's grand in that Vagabond band, so I don't need to explain. You better dance around, you better clap your hands, you better get up on that train. Get on the train. All aboard, get on the train. It's a train for a pawn. Train that vagabond out. Who's on that train? Get on that train. Get on that train. Get on the train. Why don't you get on the train? Get on the train. Get on the train. Get on the train.
Beautiful.
Get on the train.
Train, please.
Get on the train. Get on the train.
Say, you better catch the 5:15.
Get on the train.
I move over,
Get on
lady.
the train.
You're in my seat.
Excuse
Get on the
me.
train. Get on the. Everybody aboard! Oh no, not you again, please.
I say,
No,
is this the
told you.
train?
Ah, here we go, honey.
No, please, no, not. You're too dirty.
Goodbye, Mildred. Goodbye.
Next. Not an elephant. Oh God. Get on the train.
Get on the train.
Get on the train.
Why don't you get on the train? Get on the train. Get on the train.
Get on the train, yeah.
Hey, quit shoving.
You push me.
Get on the train.
That's not a
Here we
dog,
go
that's
again.
my child.
I say, is this the train?
Oh, not you again. No. Oh no, you're too dirty.
Goodbye, Mildred. Goodbye.
So lost.
Dog, going to Detroit.
I want my mommy. I want my mommy.
Say, quit shoving. Say, quit shoving.
Let's go here.
I've got number 34. It says
Hello.
here right on the ticket, number 34.
I'd like to have another beer. Okay, sure, yeah, sure.
Why I oughta.
Call yourself a conductor.
Make sure you pack sandwiches.
It's for sale.
Bon voyage, bon voyage.
Chill out the view.
Not you. Get off. Get away.
I love you. I'll always love you.